coming up. Well, we have an update on a story we brought to you first last night on 4029 News at 10. It involves the Arkansas Supreme Court ordering the Secretary of State to start counting signatures for a proposed abortion amendment on the November ballot.
But the court says only signatures collected by volunteers can be counted, not paid canvassers. Abner Sosa talked to the group about what happens next.
On July 5th, the group Arkansans For Limited Government submitted more than 100,000 signatures to the Secretary of State's office. 5 days later, the office rejected the proposal, citing the lack of a statement identifying paid canvassers or confirming they received a state rule handbook. The group filed a lawsuit arguing that counting all signatures would exceed the required 90,704. Without the paid signatures, the group would be almost 3,000 signatures short.
We did identify all of our paid canvassers by name. They received a statement from our side that confirmed that we had followed all the necessary regulations regarding how paid canvassers were trained, and they had to be offered the Secretary of State's ballot initiative handbook. They received that from us 17 times over the course of the campaign.
Today, the Arkansas Attorney General released a statement saying the group, quote, failed to meet all legal requirements to have the signatures collected by paid canvassers counted, a failure for which they only have themselves to blame. John Thurston's office also released a statement saying, quote, the Secretary of State's office has seen the Arkansas Supreme Court's order and will comply with that directive. After that office counts all the signatures, the group could receive a cure period. It would allow them 30 days to collect more signatures and try to meet the threshold. But they're only able to do that if the signature count stays above 75%, but below the minimum 90,000.
We are hopeful that that is what comes in the next step, so that if there's any signatures that are deemed invalid, that put us below that 90,000 number, we can go back and fix those signatures.
For 4029 News, I'm Abner Sosa.